Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's so nice to be here, and especially when you walk on stage and your name is taken and nobody thinks it's important to, just clap for you. It's great. Let's. All right, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. It's my absolute pleasure to welcome all of you to the Times of India Film Awards 2025. And tonight, we honor the dreamers, the creators, and the relentless spirit of Indian cinema. Thank you for joining us as we celebrate excellence, brilliance, and the magic of storytelling. It's amazing that we all are here tonight doing exactly that. But before we begin this spectacular evening, I would request everyone present here to please stand up for the national anthem.
पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे गावे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, this is a very special moment for us with these young achievers standing here before you. They're not just recipients of support, but are proof of what belief can build. With guidance from M3M Foundation, they have pushed past limitations, discovered strengths, and shaped new futures. Tonight, they represent many more who will rise after them. Please give them a huge round of applause, and we thank our kids who've left stage right now for joining us. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it is an honor to stand before you tonight as we celebrate the brilliance of our technicians, musicians, artists, our actors, and of course, our directors. The magic you see on the big screen is the result of years of dedication. Tonight, the Times of India not only recognizes their craft, but also celebrates their commitment with the honor they truly deserve. As an institution, we take immense pride in the credibility of these awards. Every accolade presented tonight reflects our promise to remain fair, transparent, and true to the spirit of Indian cinema. This trust is our biggest responsibility, and we strive to uphold it year after year. To formally begin this spectacular evening, we would now like to invite our esteemed dignitaries on stage for the ceremonial lighting of the lamp. Ladies and gentlemen, can we please invite on stage Mrs. Sameer Senani, President, Optimal Media Solutions, Mr. Gaurav Rajput, and a true visionary, creator, and catalyst. She is the founder of Smart World Developers and the promoter of M3M India. She just doesn't build spaces, she builds benchmarks. Please put your hands together and welcome on stage Miss Aishwarya Bansal. Now, before we begin celebrating the absolute stars present here tonight, let us, for a moment, remember the legends who left us in the past year. Their legacy shall always light our path. May I please request all of you once again to please rise for a few moments of silence in their memory. Thank you, everyone. With that heartfelt start, it's time to honor the pillars of our industry, the masters behind the craft, the ones who shape every frame, every sound, every emotion. Well, and for everyone who won't be able to catch the show tonight, don't worry. You can watch all the action on the Watcho app. Watch Toy Fast streaming on your Watcho app. और हमारे पहले सेट ऑफ अवार्ड्स हैं उन कलाकारों के लिए, ऐसे वॉरियर्स जिनके मजबूत कंधों पर ही फिल्मों की नींव रखी जाती है. फिल्म मेकिंग इज नॉट अबाउट द टेक्निक, इट्स अबाउट द टेक्नीशियन. सो लेट्स बिगिन विद आवर फर्स्ट सेट ऑफ अवार्ड्स व्हिच आर आवर टेक्निकल अवार्ड्स फॉर OTT. हमारा पहला अवार्ड है फॉर OTT एक्सीलेंस इन बैकग्राउंड स्कोर. एंड दिस अवार्ड गोज टू द म्यूजिकल माइस्ट्रो A.R. Rahman for Amar Singh Chamkila. He has sent a special message. Can we please take a look at the AV?
Thank you, Toifa and the Toifa Academy for this honor. I'm truly grateful. I wish I could have been there with all of you tonight, but I'm celebrating with you in spirit. Thank you, Imtiaz Ali, Irshad Kamal, Mohit Chawan, Diljit, Pariniti, and everyone in our team. This film wouldn't exist without your heart, your talent, and your belief. This award is ours together. Thank you so much for this love. God bless.
हमारा अगला अवार्ड है for OTT Excellence in Costume Design. And who better to give this award away? I'd like to invite a very talented designer and a dear friend, Mr. Vikram Phadnis, to please come up on stage and give away this wonderful award.
The award for the excellence in costume design goes to Rimple Narula, Harpreet Narula, and Chandrakant Sonamne
for Hira Mandi, the Diamond Bazaar.
Congratulations to the winners and thank you, Vikram. Just like our glamorous costumes, Indian real estate suddenly has a glamorous, star-studded new avatar. Thanks to M3M, the brand redefining luxury and accountability with world-class standards. Our next award is for OTT web series Excellence in Casting Ensemble. And to give away this award, I'd like to call on stage the lovely Ahana Kumra and Shad Randada.
The award for the web series Excellence in Casting Ensemble goes to
Shruti Mahajan.
Well, up next is the award for OTT Excellence in Cinematography. And the winner is...
The award for excellence in cinematography goes to
Sudeep Chatterjee, Mahesh Limay, Hyutsang Mopatra, Ragul Herian, Dharuman.
Thank you, presenters. Thank you very much. हमारा अगला अवार्ड है for OTT Excellence in Visual Effects. And to give away this wonderful award, I'd like to call on stage Deepak Dobriyal and Lauren Gottlieb.
Award for Excellence in Visual Effects goes to FutureWorks Studios for Hira Mandi.
Congratulations to our winners, and I'd like to thank our presenters. Agla award है for OTT Excellence in Writing, and to give away this really special award, I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Nagesh Kukunor.
The award for excellence in writing goes to Imtiaz Ali and Sajid Ali for Amar Singh Chamkila.
Well, up next is the award for OTT Excellence in, gotta be kind, editing. And the winner is?
The award for excellence in editing goes to Aarti Bajaj for Amar Singh Chamkila.
Thank you, presenters. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time for a very, very special segment. Our presenting sponsor, M3M, India's foundation, the philanthropic arm of the M3M Group, is committed to driving holistic development and creating sustainable impact. Now, to give away these honors, I'd like to call on stage the chairperson and trustee, M3M Foundation, who represents a generation of Indian leaders. Her work blends the discipline of business with the purpose of social development. Please welcome on stage Dr. Payal Kanodia.
Hi, good evening, everyone. I am really honored and delighted to be a part of this evening and associated with TOIFA as M3M Group and M3M Foundation. And you know what makes TOIFA even more special this year? That TOIFA, along with M3M Foundation, has taken up a cause of skilling the children across the country for a nation which is forward-moving, better, and ready for the PM's vision of Bharat 2047.
Thank you very much, but we'd like you to please stay back on stage. And now we would like to celebrate the achievements of M3M Foundation beneficiaries and felicitate them. First, we'd like to honor the world #1 para-badminton player, Suryakant Yadav, who has 20 international medals to his name, all due to his hard work and the help of M3M Foundation Laksh program. Let's take a look.
Suryakant Yadav, a para-badminton athlete powered by discipline and purpose, is chasing his dream of representing India at the 2028 Olympics. Supported by the M3M Foundation's Lakshya program, he has become world #1 in doubles, earned 20 international medals, and risen as a national inspiration, turning every challenge into fuel for excellence.
A huge round of applause for Mr. Suryakant, and we please request him to come on stage. We'd also like to honor Lakshmi, who is a Panyar tribal woman who gained dairy income and clean biogas from M3M Foundation's Sankalp program. Let's take a look.
Lakshmi, a 52-year-old Panyar tribal woman from Pothukoli, transformed her life through M3M Foundation's Sankalp program. With 2 cows, a cow shed, and a biogas unit, she moved from dangerous firewood collection to safe, clean energy. She earns steady dairy income, saves on fuel and fertilizers, reduces emissions, and sends her daughters back to school, inspiring other Panyar women as a true role model.
Well, a huge round of applause for Lakshmi. Thank you very much, Lakshmi ji. Thank you for the great work. बहुत मुबारक हो आपको. And thank you, Dr. Payal, for all the wonderful work that you've been doing. Thank you. हमारे next set of awards हैं for exceptional technical expertise in theatrical films. Our next award for theatrical excellence in action direction. And to give away this wonderful award, I'd like to call on stage Mr. Rajat Bedi.
Theatrical exceptional talent. The award for excellence in action direction goes to C. Young O and Parvez Sheikh.
Well, हमारा अगला award है for theatrical excellence in cinematography, and the winner for best cinematographer is Mr. Rafe Mehboob.
Thank you. Thank you, TOIFA. Everybody at TOIFA is absolutely amazing. Rafe sir is, and this is Nikhil's words, our director's word, that, he's not just a DOP, he's a scientist who made this happen. So, Kill is a huge feat on how he put it together and made it happen. And he's one of the most incredible people and a technician that we have worked with. We collaborated with him in Paglet and then in Kill. So thank you, sir. We call him Professor. We've all learned so much from him. So he could not be here, but this is on behalf of Rafi, sir. We love you and we hope to do more with you. You're a genius.
अगला award है for theatrical excellence in costume design. And to give away this wonderful award, I'd like to invite back on stage Mr. Vikram Fadnis.
The award for the excellence in costume design goes to designer Darshan Jalan for Lapata Lady.
Our next award is for theatrical excellence in casting. And to give away this wonderful award, I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Abhay Sinha from IMPA and Harsh Chaya.
The award of excellence casting goes to Romil Jain for Lapata Lady.
Well, our next award is for theatrical excellence in visual effects, and the winner is...
The award for excellence in visual effects goes to Brad Minich and
Devabrata Moiti for Munjia.
और हमारा अगला अवार्ड है for theatrical excellence in editing, and the winner is...
The award for excellence in editing goes to Shiv Kumar V. Panikkar for Kill and Jabin Merchant for Lapata Lady.
Congratulations to all our lovely winners. Well, अगला award है for theatrical excellence in choreography. Woo! And to give away this award, I'd like to invite on stage the ever so gorgeous Rupali Ganguly.
And this is for one of my most favorite people in the world, someone who makes me proud every day with every work of his. The award for excellence in choreography goes to Vijay Ganguly for Aaj Ki Raat and Johnny Master for Aayi Nahi from Stree 2.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Congratulations to our lovely winners. Well, our next award is for theatrical excellence in production design, and the winner is...
The award for excellence in production design goes to Vikram Singh for Lapata Lady.
Our next award is for theatrical excellence in sound design. And I'd like to invite Mr. Rakesh Nigam from IPRS and Nikita Gandhi to please come up on stage and join Rupali to give away this wonderful award.
The award for excellence in sound design goes to
Subhash Tabu for Shaitan.
Well, our next award is for those technicians जिन्हें आज तक, really guys, let's underline this, जिन्हें आज तक इंडिया में इस कैटेगरी में अवार्ड नहीं दिया गया, लेकिन we at Toifa आज उन्हें अवार्ड से ऑनर करना चाहते हैं. हमारा अगला अवार्ड है for theatrical excellence in makeup and prosthetics. And to give away this award, I'd like to invite on stage the lovely Daisy Shah and my dear friend Natasha Stanko.
And the award for excellence in makeup and prosthetic goes to
Manish Sharma for Munja.
And हमारा अगला award है for theatrical excellence in hairstyling. This is a tough one, and the winner is?
The award for excellence in hairstyling goes to
Jyotika Shinde for Stree 2.
Daisy and Natasha, thank you so much. हमारे next set of awards हैं for theatrical excellence in music, starting with the category theatrical excellence in background score. And to give away this wonderful award, I'd like to invite on stage the lovely Sona Mohapatra and Mr. Ashok Pandit.
Theatrical excellence in music, the award for excellence in background score goes to one of my favorites, Ram Sampath for Lapata Lady.
हमारा अगला अवार्ड है for theatrical excellence in sound mixing, and the winner is?
The award for excellence in sound mixing goes to the incredible Eric Pillai, who has been mixing the most incredible soundtracks and songs.
Well, हमारा अगला award है for theatrical excellence in lyrics, and to give away this wonderful award, I'd like to call on stage Mr. Terence Lewis and Abhijit Sawant.
And the award for excellence in music in lyrics category, Mr. Prashant Pandey
for Sajni from Lapata Ladies.
Well, now it's time for me to take a little break, but to take this magnificent evening forward, it's time to welcome two powerhouses of charm and entertainment. Two more Punjabis, yes, mere dost, aapke pyare hosts. Please put your hands together and welcome them with a huge round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the ever so dashing Arjun Kapoor and the fabulous Apar Shakti Khurana.
Oh, yeah, what's your children? Oh God, Neha Dhupe in the house, looking so pretty.
देखो मैं इधर से एग्जिट ले लेती हूँ इसके पहले कि ये मेरे ऊपर
No यार, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Neha Dhupia. वैसे अगर नेहा धूपिया अकेले नहीं आती, ग्रुप में आती तो होती नेहा धूपिया.
पाजी, अगर नेहा
ध्यान रखना, ये ऑडियंस बहुत ही पंप्ड है. मैंने बहुत अच्छा काम किया गाइस, किया कि
अगर नेहा कुछ कह रहे पाजी,
मेरे लिए तो तालियां बजा दो.
अगर ये नकली नेहा होती तो होती.
अगर ये नकली नहीं होती
तो होती
नेहा बहरूपिया.
क्या बात है.
I am feeling bad for you guys if you have to suffer these jokes.
No.
All the best, I'll come back.
ये सिर्फ नेहा आपके लिए स्पेशल जोक्स थे. अब हम एक्चुअली ऑडियंस के लिए वापस आते हैं हमारी औकात पे और शो को अच्छी तरह शुरू करते हैं.
Absolutely, absolutely. All right, good evening, ladies and gents. Gorgeous gowns and fitted pants.
Welcome to the Times of India Film Awards, an evening of honoring and celebrating the real art and artists of Hindi cinema.
चाहे वो 70 mm का पर्दा हो या फिर आपके घर के 42 इंच का टीवी, हम कलाकारों की कला और उनकी मेहनत को सराहने आज शाम आए हैं यहाँ एट द टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया फिल्म अवार्ड्स.
आज की शाम है हमारी फिल्म्स, फिल्म मेकर्स, एक्टर्स, डायरेक्टर्स, म्यूजिशियंस, टेक्नीशियंस और आप जैसे अमेजिंग फैंस के खातिर और खातिरदारी के लिए.
एब्सोल्युटली. शुरू करने से पहले आपको इस महफिल के सितारे से इंट्रोड्यूस करवा देता हूँ. प्लीज मेक सम नॉइज फॉर दिस वन एंड ओनली एके.
थैंक यू अपार यार. फैंस पसंद करते तो अच्छा लगता है, इंडस्ट्री वाले करते, पर इंडस्ट्री का कोई जब मेरे सामने बगल में खड़े हो के इतना अप्रिशिएट करे तो आई रियली लव इट. थैंक यू यार अपार. थैंक यू.
क्या कर रहे हो? मैं एके की बात कर रहा हूँ. एके मतलब अपार शक्ति खुराना.
सीनियर हो तेरा. एके तो मैं हुआ ना, अर्जुन कपूर ओरिजिनल.
अच्छा, हाँ. सीनियरिटी की बात करनी है अगर तो सीनियर एके को भूल गए तो झकास अनिल कपूर.
वो सीनियर नहीं, वो सबके जूनियर है. सबसे यंगेस्ट अनिल कपूर तो ओजी एके.
ऑफ कोर्स.
बट एक सेकंड, उसके बाद कौन? बोल.
I mean, एके
तेरे घर पे भी तो है ना एक.
ऑफ कोर्स.
कभी नहीं होता पुराना. द वन एंड ओनली एके, आयुष्मान खुराना.
यार देखो, फिर भी ओजी तो अनिल कपूर ही है ना. एके है ना.
ओजी है आमिर खान. एके.
ओ, आमिर खान तक चले गए, घर के बाहर चले गए.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
चलो घर के बाहर ही जाना है अगर तो छावा के औरंगजेब, अक्षय खन्ना, एके.
तो बेटा तू खिलाड़ी को भूल गया? अक्षय कुमार, सेठ जी, और हाँ हमारे डायरेक्टर के गैंगस्टर।
और कौन?
अनुराग कश्यप।
वो भी एक है। कमाल है, कमाल है।
और अभी नया वाला है ना एक,
नया है कोई?
हाँ नया एक, एकदम नया नवेला, पिछले 3 महीने पहले आया है।
आर्यन खान। अरे ऑफ कोर्स। वैसे लेकिन जो भी हो जाए यार, सिंपल बात तो ये है कि ये जो AK की बात हो रही है ना, पूरी की पूरी शाम जो है वो AK को सेलिब्रेट करते रहेंगे, AK दूसरे AK को, AK तो तीसरे
के बीच में हमारा कलेश हो जाएगा ना AK वाले।
You mean असली कलेश?
करेक्ट।
ओह गॉड।
तो इसको आगे बढ़ाते हैं, AKs को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, यानी कि असली कलाकारों को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं।
एब्सोल्युटली यार, चलो तो फिर 2 AKs, बाकी सब AKs को, मतलब असली कलाकारों को
ऑनर करेंगे।
एब्सोल्युटली तैयार है हम।
And now, before we move on, we would like to thank our sponsors and partners. Presenting sponsor, M3M India, our expertise, your joy. Powered by Pan Bahar Crystal, Pehchan Kamyabi Ki. Special partner, Vizzy, India. A true smart TV that has it all.
Associate sponsor, Reliance Industries. Lifestyle partner, Lays. Lifestyle, India's premium outdoor furniture brand. Fashion partner, Sheetal Creations. Associate partners, Rosta, Right Bite, Nutria, and The Source. Okay, so let's continue this evening with the next set of awards for exceptional musical expertise.
Music, जिसके बगैर फिल्में अधूरी हैं, एक्टर्स अधूरे हैं, पूरा बॉक्स ऑफिस ही अधूरा है।
बिल्कुल सही बात है यार। पूरे हिंदुस्तान का मुझे लगता है कि नहाना भी अधूरा है, क्योंकि हम नहाते हुए गाने सुनते हैं, गाने गाते हैं। That's what we do, है ना? म्यूजिक इतना इंटेग्रल पार्ट है।
पाजी, इसके पहले कि लोग ये विजुअलाइज करना चालू करें कि आप कैसे नहाते हो, हम अगले अवार्ड की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। एंड द नेक्स्ट अवार्ड इज फॉर थिएट्रिकल एक्सीलेंस इन सिंगिंग फीमेल एंड द नॉमिनीज आर।
And to give away this award, I would like to invite on the stage Mr. Salim Merchant.
The award for excellence in singing female goes to Madhubanti Bakshi.
Thank you, Toifa. And I'd really want to express my gratitude to Sachin Jigar for making this song, Amitabh Da for writing this song, of course, Eric Sir for mixing this song, for which he has also won an award. And last but not the least, for the incredible dance performance by Tamanna, which has also been choreographed by Vijay, who has also won an award today. So big thank you for this award, and please give a big round of applause for the entire team of Aaj Ki Raat and Free 2. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Madhubanti. And हमारा अगला award है for the theatrical excellence in singing male, and the nominees are
The award for excellence in singing male goes to Arijit Singh.
For Sajni from Lapata Ladies. Thank God Ram came on stage, so I could say congratulations.
No, I think I can just say one thing, not on behalf of Arijit, but to Arijit, which is that we're all extremely proud of him. India is proud of him. And just keep going, Arijit. We're so proud of you, man.
He's truly a special talent and truly dedicated to his talent. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Toifa. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Salim. Thank you so much.
Our next award is for theatrical excellence in music composition, and the nominees are.
And to give away this award, I would like to call on the stage Ricky Kedge.
Theatrical excellence in music. The award goes to Ram Sampath for Lapata
Oh my
Ladies.
God!
Thank you, Toifa. Thank you to the jury. This is an overwhelming moment for me. The person I am, the things I stand for, I've always felt like an outsider in the industry. And in about 2019, 2020, I had packed up my career. I thought I was not going to get any more films. And two people got me back to films and working on films. One person is here, which is Guneet Monga for Kathal. And the other is, of course, the incredible Mr. Amir Khan, and said that I must check out the script of this movie called Lapata Ladies, and if I like it, I should work on it. Amir, I can't thank you enough. You are an institution, a school, a mentor, and a guide. Besides that, I'd like to say thank you to the entire Lapata team. Thank you to my incredible director, Kiran Rao. I can't find a better collaborator than you, Kiran. Thank you for your patience. Thank you to the entire team. Your performances elevated my work. And thank you to the lyricists, thank you to the musicians, thank you to everyone who worked on this. Thank you to my wife. You are the CEO of my life. You run the show. Thank you so much, guys. I wanna hug you all.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Big shout out to the entire team of Lapata ladies. People sitting here. You were wonderful in the film. Thank you so much.
Very, very well deserved.
And moving on, Agla award hai Theatrical Music Album of the Year. And the nominees are...
The award for Album of the Year goes to Saregama Music for Stree 2.
This is all the magic that Sachin Jigar have done, and all the writers and composers, and the hard work that Team Saregama has put in to make this album that big. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Toifa.
All right, thank you so much, presenters, and thank you so much. Congratulations to the Team Saregama.
And now we would like to call on stage Guneet Bonga and Sameer Nair to do the honors.
Well, Sholay was one of the most iconic films of Dharamji's career, and we are honored to have someone very special in the crowd today. But before that, hi, how are we?
And of course, I'm talking about the legendary filmmaker Ramesh Sippy ji with us tonight. Also a dear friend to the late actor. So we would request Ramesh Sippy ji to receive the Lifetime Achievement Award on behalf of Dharamji.
We have this is a celebratory year because of Sholay's 50 years, but a bit of sadness definitely comes in when the main pillar is no more with us. Dharamji is no more, but he will always live with us through his films and through his moments in Sholay. And of course, he worked with me on Sita or Gita also. It was again very bold of him to have come forward and agreed to do the film because it was Hema Malini's film. For him to have accepted was something very nice. I will never forget that. And then, of course, Sholay, I was very happy to have found something for him that, of course, but I'll tell you something. When he heard the script, he said, "Yaar, should I play Sanjeev Kumar? Kahani to uski hai." Or, "Nahi, I think for a change, I have not done this, I'll play a villain. He's so colorful." और अमित जी तो मर जाते हैं, फिर सारी sympathy वो ले जाएगा, मेरा क्या होगा? I can't. Dharamji, your choice. You may do any of these roles if you feel like. We thought this is the best for you, but if you wish to play any of these roles, go ahead. Only Hema ji aapko nahi milenge. Vasanti is yours if you play Veeru. He laughed and said, "Of course, that's my role." Such warm moments, wonderful moments. Absolutely a wonderful, wonderful man. A great actor and a wonderful man.
Before we go forward, we would like to thank our sponsors and everyone here for being with us as we celebrate the best in films and web shows. Presenting sponsor M3M India, our expertise, your joy. Powered by Pan Bahar Crystal, Pehchan Kamyabi Ki. Special partner Vizzy India, a true smart TV that has it all. Paji, क्या ब्लॉकबस्टर साल रहा है ना ये? चंदू चैंपियन बन गया, स्त्री दूसरी बार आई बॉक्स ऑफिस पे और डबल पैसे कमा गई. This year, women ruled the silver screen. लापता लेडीज ने तो अपनी ब्यूटीफुल स्टोरी टेलिंग से पूरे इंडिया का दिल जीत लिया. गायब होकर लड़कियों ने पूरा देश हिला दिया और हमें 2 नई स्टार्स मिली. ये होती है ना पहचान कामयाबी की।
देखा जाए तो बात तो सही है यार, ये साल तो लड़कियों का ही था, चाहे वो कृति सैनन ने अपनी बातों में कैसे उलझा दिया जिया, या शर्वरी का मुंजिया में डरना हो। आई थिंक दे रियली किल्ड इट।
दिस ईयर हैज बीन ट्रूली फिनोमिनल। मडगांव एक्सप्रेस ने हंसाया तो आर्टिकल 370 ने कुछ सिखाया, और कल्कि ने तो क्या ग्रैंडर दिखाया। 2024 was truly train-tastic.
Train-tastic? अजी मैंने फैंटास्टिक तो सुना है, व्हाट इज दिस ट्रेन-tastic?
अरे बाजी, इस साल की टॉप मूवीज को देखो, सबकी कहानी ट्रेन में होती है। किल का पूरा एक्शन कहा था ट्रेन में। हाँ, मडगांव एक्सप्रेस के नाम में ही एक्सप्रेस है, और लापता लेडीज में तो लेडीज लापता कहाँ पे हुई थी? ट्रेन में। तो ट्रेन-tastic यार।
क्या बात है, रेलगाड़ी छुक 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 छुक। लगता है 2024 की फिल्म है वो स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय इंडियन रेलवेज इन अ वे। बट इससे पहले कि हमारी वजह से लोग ट्रेन पकड़ के निकल जाएं, बिना देर किए लेट्स सेलिब्रेट दिस ग्लोरियस ईयर ऑफ हिंदी सिनेमा एंड एंटरटेनमेंट across all platforms and the artists behind it.
Thanks to the screening jury who have nominated all the artists tonight. They have watched every piece of content and selected the rightful nominees. Also a big thank you to the advisory for creating the Toifa Academy.
OTT has changed the course of entertainment. हर साल OTT channels ने हमें कई thrilling और नए shows दिए हैं जो entertainment के लिए नए benchmark set करते हैं।
हीरा मंडी, कोटा फैक्ट्री, मिर्जापुर पंचायत और ना जाने कितने टॉप नॉच शोज हमने देखे हैं इस साल।
Absolutely, तो चलिए इन shows के favor को return करते हैं by giving them what they deserve. Our next awards are for OTT web series.
हमारा अगला अवार्ड है for OTT comedy series of the year and the nominees are
And to give away this award, I would like to invite on the stage Sheba Chadda and Mr. Bharat Barasia from Pan Bahar Crystal.
The award for Comedy Series of the Year goes to
Panchayat Season 3.
Congratulations and thank you so much, Bharat. Thank you, Sheba. Our next award is for the OTT Crime Horror Thriller Series of the Year, and the nominees are.
And to give away this award, we would like to call on stage Rahul Bose and Mr. Lakshman Subramaniam from Visi by Dish TV.
And the OTT Crime Thriller Horror Series of the Year goes to Killer Soup.
Congratulations to the entire team of Killer Soup, and thank you so much, Rahul. Thank you so much, Lakshman.
हमारा अगला अवार्ड है for OTT Drama Series of the Year and the nominees are.
And to give away this award, I would like to call upon the stage Mr. Ramesh Torani.
The drama series of the year goes to Mirzapur Season 3, producers Excel Media and Entertainment LLP.
Our next award is for the OTT Reality Show of the Year, and to present the award with Rameshji, we would like to call on stage Dr. Payal Kanodia, Chairperson and Trustee of the M3M Foundation.
The award for Reality Show of the Year goes to The Great Indian Kapil Show.
हमारा अगला अवार्ड है for Web Series Showrunner of the Year, and the nominees are.
And to give away this award, I would like to call upon the stage one of my favorite actors in the room, Jaideep Ahlawa.
So the award for showrunner goes to, wow, Anubhav sir, and there's a tie, Samir Saxena.
Dilip bhai, please stay back. And our next award is for OTT Web Series Excellence in Direction. And the nominees are...
And the award for direction goes to Anubhav Sinha.
For Kandhar.
I truly love this show, ladies and gentlemen. A huge round of applause. A daring show and a daring director who's always gone out of his way to make very, very bold and straightforward, honest films, and now a show. Congratulations, sir. Just say a few lines, please.
Just want to thank Toifa, the jury, Netflix, and above all, my team. I'm only as good as they are. Thank you.
Our next award is for OTT Web Series Debut Actor of the Year, and the nominees are...
And to give away this award, I would like to invite on the stage Bhagyashree ji and Kunal Kohli.
The web series with exceptional talent. The debut actor is Kashvi Majumdar for Citadel Honey Bunny.
I didn't expect I'd win or get this award, but honestly, my heart is literally doing backflips inside. I'm not joking. So if it falls out, someone has to catch it. I'm joking. I know it's a bad joke, but yeah, that's all I could think of at the moment. I guess I'm really, really happy at this moment. It feels great to be nominated and now I guess win this award amongst all of you. And it's a really proud moment for me. And I would like to say thank you to my family, thank you to my mom, my dad, and everyone who supported me and I guess put up with my dramas I have done and tantrums I've put so far. And thank you to my directors, Raj and DK sir, for believing in me and I guess...
Oh my God.
believing in me in my first debut and... I'm sorry if it's so long, but I'm so excited. I mean, it's my first ever award and now my first ever award. My first ever... Oh my God, I'm messing up so much. See, I'm speechless. I would like... Okay. It's my first show, my first project, I would say, and now my first award for it. And I guess I'm really, really, really happy. And one more thing. If anyone is looking for a child actor, you know...
Oh God, I love it! Fantastic.
No. Yeah, once again, thank you everyone. Thank you to the jury. And thank you everyone who voted for me, I guess. And thank you to Toifa and everyone again. Thank you.
You need one more award for the best acceptance speech ever.
100%. Oh my God, our future is definitely in safe hands.
आप और मैं hosting छोड़ देते. This has been the most entertaining.
सही बात है. Kunal and Bhagyashree, I would request you to please stay back. I know Kunal is going to drop her. How sweet. I would also request Vanisha Barasia from Pan Bahar Crystal to join Bhagyashree and Kunal on the stage.
Good evening, everyone. The award for the web series with exceptional talent goes to
Mr. Ravi Kishan for Mamla Legal Head.
Thank you, Toifa. Thank you, jury. मामला लीगल है Netflix. I must say thank you Netflix because उन्होंने पहली बार एक कॉमेडी जॉनरा को प्रेजेंट किया where वकील हमेशा एक बोरिंग से दिखाई देते थे तारीख पे तारीख, बट यहाँ वकीलों की ज़िंदगी में झांका गया और एक उनकी ह्यूमर को, उनकी पर्सनल लाइफ को निकाला गया. सो राहुल पांडे, पोशंपा फिल्म्स, they got the amazing script. हम second season भी लेके we finished also. Second season भी आ रहा है इसका. Thank you so much for all the love. Thank you Toifa, Bhagyashree, Kunal ji. Thank you ma'am. Thank you so much. This is amazing. This is.
Congratulations, Ravi sir. This is fantastic.
Thank you, my brother. Aparan.
मैं
AK.
बस एक चीज़ कहना चाहूँगा सर, इतने सालों से आपने पेशेंटली वेट किया और इस इंडस्ट्री का हिस्सा रहे हो, और जब देर आए पर दुरुस्त है वाला हिसाब किताब होता है वो आपके साथ ही हुआ है। एक फिल्म और एक शो एक ही साल में, जबरदस्त। आई थिंक जोरदार तालियां
हो जाए यार रवि भाई के लिए।
He is a true example of perseverance in our industry. Somebody who came out of nowhere, survived the industry, waited for his time, and two correct roles, and see the kind of love and respect he's been able to garner in 1 year. So you are a true inspiration, sir.
हाँ, जो भी कहीं थक जा रहा है या कहीं मायूस होता है, just look at me. 34 years, and after 34 years.
वाह वाह वाह.
I waited for good 34 years, yeah. But thank you.
Thank you so much for entertaining us, and congratulations on this award tonight, and many more to come.
Our next award is for OTT Web Series Acting Excellence in a Negative Role, and the nominees are...
And the winner is Sonakshi Sinha for Hira Mandi. Sonakshi is not here. Is anyone accepting it on her behalf?
हमारा अगला अवार्ड है फॉर OTT वेब सीरीज एक्टिंग एक्सीलेंस इन अ सपोर्टिंग रोल फीमेल एंड द नॉमिनीज आर
And to give away this award, I would like to invite on stage Mr. Rahul Bose and Mr. Ramesh Taran.
The award for acting excellence in a supporting role female goes to Nidhi Bisht for Mamla Legal hai. And Isha Talwar for Mirzapur Season 3.
हमारा अगला अवार्ड है OTT वेब सीरीज एक्टिंग एक्सीलेंस इन अ सपोर्टिंग रोल मेल, एंड द नॉमिनीज आर...
The web series with exceptional talent, acting excellence in a supporting role male, goes to Rajesh Telang for Bandish Bandits Season 2.
नहीं, मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा, थैंक यू टोइफा, ये जिंक्स तोड़ने के लिए बहुत सालों से बहुत नॉमिनेट ही हुए जा रहा था, अवार्ड नहीं मिल रहा था। तो बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया इस चीज़ के लिए। और आनंद तिवारी, अमृत और लियो मीडिया, अमेज़ॉन और बंदिश बैंडिट की पूरी टीम, और ख़ास तौर पे हमारे म्यूजिशियंस और हमारे टीचर्स जिन्होंने हमको म्यूज़िक सिखाया, सबको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, शुक्रिया।
Thank you so much, Ramesh ji. Thank you so much, Rahul.
And हमारा अगला अवार्ड है फॉर OTT वेब सीरीज एक्टिंग एक्सीलेंस फीमेल एंड द नॉमिनीज आर...
And to give away this award, I would like to call on stage Mr. Rajkumar Hirani.
And the award for acting excellence female goes to Manisha Koirala for Hira Mandi.
Good evening, everyone. So it's so wonderful. Thank you, Toifa. Thank you so, so much. And receiving this award from Raju sir, it's even more special. Hira Mandi is actually my debut in web series category for OTT. So this makes it even more special. I was extremely nervous and frightened. I didn't know how I'm going to pull through. But I had the magician who was making the web series, Sanjay Leela Bansali, who pulls out a rabbit from a hat each and every time, a true blue of filmmakers. And having him guide me through the process of Malika Jan was wonderful. So I dedicate this award to Sanjay Leela Bansali his entire team, my wonderful, wonderful, wonderful colleagues, my co-actors, my parents, my mom is here, God, and to my audience. Thank you, Toifa. This has been really special. Thank you.
Thank you so much and congratulations. I would love to call Aishwarya Bansal, founder of Smart World Developers and promoter of M3M India, to join Raju sir on the stage to present the next award. I would love to ask Aishwarya, tonight is all about, iconic performances in the real estate world. What does an award-winning performance look like? I would love to hear from you.
So I would say in real estate, an award-winning performance is like a blockbuster. So your script would become the design, your cast would become the team, and of course, your audience becomes the customers. And when all three of these people align together and they enter a place and they say, wow, I feel you hit the box office. That's how it is.
Very well said.
Thank you, thank you.
हमारा अगला अवार्ड है OTT वेब सीरीज एक्टिंग एक्सेलेंस मेल एंड द नॉमिनीज आर
And the award for acting excellence male goes to Jitendra Kumar for Kota Factory and Jyoti Alawat for The Broken News.
Thank you so much. It becomes special again, getting it from a senior from FTII. It is special, and the award belongs to actually the team of Broken News, Vanessa, and the entire cast and crew, Shreya, Sonali ma'am. Thank you for this. Thank you, Toifa.
I'm not Jeetu for sure, but thank you, Toifa. Thank you, jury. Thank you, Netflix, for enabling us to tell the story of Kota Factory.
Moving forward, यार आज एक ऐसी फिल्म को ग्लोरियस 50 साल हुए हैं जो आइकॉनिक, लेजेंडरी एंड ऑल टाइम ब्लॉकबस्टर है.
इस फिल्म ने कई जनरेशंस को एंटरटेन किया है. दादाजी से लेकर बच्चों तक हर किसी की मेमोरीज इससे जुड़ी हुई है.
इस फिल्म ने हमें आइकॉनिक सॉन्ग्स, लेजेंडरी डायलॉग्स और एंडलेस मोमेंट्स दिए हैं.
अपार इस फिल्म को बनाने के पीछे कितने आदमी थे?
लव दिस फेलो एके. बहुत कमाल का सवाल, but the answer is the one and only Mr. Ramesh Sippy. Thank you, sir, for making one of the greatest films of all time and inspiring millions of artists. Sholay was a masterpiece in filmmaking, directed by the great Ramesh Sippy Saab, written by the dynamic duo Salim Javed Saab, and music by one and only Panchamda R.D. Burman.
और इस फिल्म में कई आइकॉनिक कलाकार थे. ऑफ कोर्स अमजद खान साहब, संजीव कुमार साहब, हेमा मालिनी जी, जया बच्चन जी, अमिताभ बच्चन सर, एंड ऑफ कोर्स हमारे ही मैन द वन एंड ओनली धर्म जी. वी विल ऑलवेज मिस यू एंड वी विल ऑलवेज लव यू धर्म जी. योर लेगेसी will inspire generations to come.
And to honor the legacy of Sholay, may we please call on the stage Raju sir one more time, Mr. Rajkumar Hirani.
Thank you, Toifa. And all those people behind this, and these lovely guys standing here, Arjun and Apar Shakti.
Thank you, sir.
And thank you all for all the love showered on Sholay and my entire team, without whom the film can't ever be made. All the wonderful actors, all the technicians, not all of them are with us today, but those who are and those who are not. All your love and blessings, I'm sure, will always be with us. Thank you all. Thank you all, audiences everywhere. And keep on loving Sholay.
Congratulations, Sippy sir. And thank you so much, Raju sir, for doing the honors. Thank you. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, we are going to give a brief break to my co-host, my fellow AK. I would like to invite my other co-host. Please put your hands together for Neha Dhupia. टॉयफा ने हमेशा कदम बढ़ाया है, जिम्मा उठाया है ऐसे स्टॉलवर्ड्स को ऑनर करने के लिए, सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए, जिन्होंने अपना हुनर, अपने वक्त, अपने तजुर्बे से सिनेमा को चार चांद लगाए हैं।
कुछ ऐसे आर्टिस्ट, ऑल्सो लेजेंड्स, जिन्होंने शेप किया है सिनेमा का पास्ट, प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर, जिनकी वजह से हमारा नाम हुआ है, पहचान हुई है, एंड टॉयफा टेक्स इमेंस प्राइड इन ऑनरिंग देम।
और इसी बात पे नेहा तुम्हें एक कविता की 2 लाइनें सुनाना चाहता हूँ, मतलब
Oh no, of course.
Should I go for it? All right.
Of course, Abhar. I mean, of course you should.
शर्त लगी है, शर्त लगी है मर जाने की, जीना है तो प्यार में। शर्त लगी है मर जाने की, जीना है तो प्यार में। दे कहीं भी हो मेरा, जान रखी है यार में। मैं क्या करूँ? I'm just average.
वाह, क्या खूबसूरत लाइन्स हैं। गुलजार साहब से चोरी की है ना?
अरे नहीं,
तो फिर
मैंने वैसे भी कब कहा कि मेरी है। ये खूबी है, मतलब गुलजार साहब की लाइंस में वो दिल को छू जाती है, और ना जाने उन्होंने ऐसी कितनी लाइंस लिखी हैं यार।
From films to songs to शायरीज to quotes, गुलजार साहब ने हमें कई अनमोल नगमों से नवाजा है। 1000 से भी ज़्यादा गाने लिखे हैं और कई हजार नज़्म।
A living legend, 5-time National Award winner, Grammy winner, Padma Bhushan and Dada Saheb Phalke Award winner.
So we're not fortunate enough to have him here with us, but उन्हें हम ये award देना चाहते हैं और हमने ये award definitely उन तक पहुंचाया. So let's take a look.
Thanks to Times of India once again for choosing me. I have my very long association with Times of India. Balki I remember I once sent a poem during COVID time. That was the time when I sent a poem to Times of India. कि Times of India की ऐसी आदत पड़ी है कि कोई और अखबार पढ़ो तो यूँ लगता है जैसे किसी और का खत पढ़ रहे हैं. I'm used to it. This is my opening reading every morning in the morning. टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया सुबह तभी होती है जब टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया आ जाता है, तब पहली चाय मिलती है. थैंक यू वंस अगेन फॉर दिस लवली अवार्ड एंड दैट यू हैव बिगन टू चूज अ पर्टिकुलर काइंड ऑफ म्यूजिक which is again a compliment to Times of India. Thank you.
Well, you know, I have to say that मैं audience में बैठी थी and the two of you now were slaying it tonight, yaar.
Me and Arjun? Really?
Yeah.
हमारा रिज mind blowing है, क्या करें यार, है ना?
और दोनों इतने dashing लग रहे हो, you know, I like your drip.
You're such a pookie, Neha.
Well, हम फ्रेंच में बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, ladies and gentlemen. आजकल लैंग्वेज ना थोड़ी बदली सी हो गई है.
Absolutely. लैंग्वेज भी नहीं, बल्कि इसको लैंग्वेज नहीं कहते, लिंगो.
Okay, yeah.
फैंसी नहीं, बूजी, शो ऑफ नहीं, फ्लेक्स एंड ह्यूमर नहीं, स्किबिडी.
Oh!
Thanks to Janice. Of course, मतलब
No, and also because you're younger, I feel like you know more skibidi than me.
But thanks to Gen Z, सिर्फ generations नहीं, भाषा बदल चुकी है, content बदल चुका है, content देखने का तरीका बदल चुका है, और हमें इनके साथ मिलके vibe करना पड़ता है.
Oh, what a guy, यार. तो चलो vibe करते हैं. हम बढ़ते हैं इसी vibe के साथ towards films on OTT, a world without boundaries, without rules, and the best part, without any limits.
Absolutely, Neha. Today, OTT isn't just a medium, Hana. It's a movement. It has given filmmakers the courage to experiment, actors the space to shine, and audiences the joy of discovering fresh, fearless storytelling from every corner of the country, isn't it?
Yes, and tonight we honor the finest in OTT cinema. We celebrate not only the content, but the creators and the artists as well.
हमारा अगला award on that note, ladies and gentlemen, for OTT Web Film Debut Actor of the Year, and the nominees are.
And to give away this award, I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Rajkumar Hirani.
The award for debut actor of the year goes to Junaid Khan.
Thank you, Raju. So actually, my first job in films was for him, like 13 years ago or something. I worked for 2 years on PK. But thank you so much. Thank you, Toifa, for this. Thank you, Siddharth sir, for making the film. Thank you, Adi sir and Netflix for making the film and making sure people got to see the film. Thank you, the entire cast and crew. Jaideep sir is here as well. Thank you, sir. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Congratulations one more time. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
And to join Raju sir on the stage, Ms. Shriya Priyadarshan from Vizzy by Dish TV.
And the award for acting excellence in a comedy role goes to the one and only Johnny Lever, sir, for Lantrani.
Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only OG entertainer in the house, Mr. Johnny Lever.
शुक्रिया राजू जी और तोहफा का मैं धन्यवाद करता हूँ। बहुत दिनों बाद ये देखने मिला है मुझे ऐसा कुछ। मैंने शूटिंग की थी छत्तीसगढ़ में, वो भी कोविड जो है टॉप पर था और मुझे छत्तीसगढ़ जाना था। माल अच्छा दिया इसलिए मैं चला गया। पूरा काम मैंने मास्क लगा के किया भाई। एक्शन के टाइम पे मास्क निकालता था, कट फिर मास्क पहनता था। पूरा मास्क पे मैंने किया और मेरा उन्होंने बहुत ध्यान दिया, इसलिए मैं उनका धन्यवाद करता हूँ। थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Johnny sir, please stay back on the stage. Raju sir, thank you so much for presenting this award. Neha?
मैं तो बस ये कहना चाहती हूँ जॉनी सर, आप जो भी मंच पे जाते हैं ना, जो भी प्लेटफॉर्म पे जाते हैं, यू आर डूइंग सो वेल, चाहे वो फिल्म्स हो, स्टेज हो, अब तो सोशल मीडिया पे भी ना, जिसे कहते हैं ना, आग लगा दिया।
बिल्कुल सर, आप मतलब हमसे ज़्यादा 2025 तो आप निकले सर, मतलब 2025 मतलब आप छाए हुए हैं। मुझे बताइए कि ये जैसी और जेमी ने पुश किया कि आप उनको बताते हो क्या करना है, ये क्या चल रहा है, मतलब ये सोशल मीडिया स्टार बनने का नुस्खा क्या है सर?
लगे रहो।
अब क्या बात है सर,
जो भी आप करो पूरा ध्यान 100% उसमें घुस जाओ तो कुछ निकल के आएगा।
ये बहुत अच्छी बात की सर आपने, लगे रहो।
तो कितनी बड़ी बात कोई नहीं कह सकता।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, राजू सर के जाने के बाद बिल्कुल ही लगे रहो, तो बिल्कुल ही ठीक लाइन कह दी आपने। बट आई एम जस्ट सेइंग कि आपके आने के पहले ना ये अपार मेरे साथ बड़े अजीब से वर्ड्स यूज कर रहा था। आप मेरे को बस इनका मतलब बता दो। आते ही मेरे को बोलता है रिज मतलब क्या होता है ये जो सोशल मीडिया पे रिज लगा हुआ है हर जगह?
ये रिज तो मेरे को भी नहीं मालूम भाई।
ही आल्सो
इतना कठिन सवाल आप करते हो यार।
सर मैं सर हो सके तो इस जन्म में मुझे माफ कर देना।
भाई आप कैसे यार, मैं भी आपको भेजा। अरे यार क्या बात है।
सर लॉल का मतलब क्या होता है सर? LOL लॉल का मतलब क्या होता है?
आपने रील्स में भी काफी यूज किया अपने।
हाँ, आप इतने 2025 हैं, मतलब हमसे ज्यादा रिलेवेंट आप हैं हमारे।
मुझे वाकई नहीं
LOL लॉल नहीं सर, लॉल का मतलब जो आप कराते आ रहे हैं हमें इतने सालों से, लाफ आउट लाउड, ये आपने कराया सर हमें।
और सबसे बड़ी बात वो ऑडियंस बोलेगी आपके लिए, आप हमें बता दीजिए कि गोट का मतलब क्या होता है? गोट
बकरा
नहीं सर, वो भी होता है।
GOAT
वो आप हैं सर, ग्रेटेस्ट ऑफ ऑल टाइम। सब मिलके बोलेंगे।
क्या है जॉनी सर? इसका फुल फॉर्म बोलो यार, वो तो पता ही है उनको।
फुल फॉर्म बताओ यार, मेरे को भी नहीं मालूम।
क्या है फुल फॉर्म?
ये नए वर्ड्स कहाँ से है भाई?
सर ये आपके लिए बने हैं।
अच्छा, मैं बहुत सालों
ये वाला
बाद
आपके लिए बना है।
ग्रेटेस्ट ऑफ ऑल टाइम।
ओह
यस सर,
ग्रेटेस्ट ऑफ ऑल टाइम। क्या बात।
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Please stay back because we'd like you to present an award.
All right. On that note, हमारा अगला award OTT web film acting excellence in a negative role, and the nominees are
web film acting excellence
सारे
in a
खतरनाक
negative
actor.
role. आऊं मैं? आइए जयदीप अलावाल, क्या बात है।
Thank you, Johnny Bhatt. Thank you so much. And again, thank you, Toifa. Thank you, Adi sir, Siddharth sir, Sneha for writing Maharaj, and Junaid was right here. And thank you for all the cast, crew of Maharaj. It was, again, a very difficult time after pandemic. And we were shooting in very hot weather. And if you have seen Maharaj, that costume, that ornament, it was really, really heavy. All the ladies, I respect you more after that. My shawl for Maharaj was 3.5 kg, only on my, hand. And it was really difficult, but worth it. Thank you, Toifa. Thank you, jury. Thank you, Sneha. And getting it from the one and only GOAT. It's, again, very special. Thank you so much.
Congratulations,
Congratulations,
Jaydeep. So
Jaydeep
well
bhai,
deserved.
and thank you so much, Johnny sir, for doing the honors. Thank you.
Thank you,
so
Johnny
much.
sir. Thank you. And the next award is for OTT Web Film Acting Excellence in a Supporting Role, Female, and the nominees are. And the winner for this category is Shalini Pandey for Maharaj on OTT platform Netflix. She couldn't be here this evening, and we'll make sure that we send the trophy to her. And moving on,
हमारा अगला award है OTT Web Film Acting Excellence in a Supporting Role Male, and the nominees are.
all right, and the winner is Sanjay Mishra for Gupshup on OTT platform Netflix, and we'll make sure we send the trophy to him as well. हमारा अगला award है for OTT Web Film Excellence in Direction, and the nominees are. It just looks like I'm looking at that and just giving names. But I promise you, I've been asked to say these names. And the winner is Imtiaz Ali for Amar Singh Chamkila on OTT platform Netflix. So well deserved. And we'll make sure that we send the trophy to him.
On that note, next award is for OTT Web Film of the Year, and the nominees are. और ये award present करने के लिए, can I please have on the stage Guneet Monga. I love what you're wearing.
Thank you so
क्या
much.
बात है. I always love your sense of style.
And the winner for the best OTT film is Amar Singh Chamkila on OTT platform Netflix, producers Window Seat and Window Seat Films and Select Media. Congratulations.
I think we are receiving this on behalf of Imtiaz and his entire team of talent, technicians. We take this opportunity and, of course, thanks Toifa, the jury, the audiences. But most importantly, I think this is a time also we should thank the family, Amar Singh Chamkila and his family who has given us the right to tell this extraordinary story. And all the talents and technicians, Netflix, Selectflix, Saregama, and all the partners who have made possible for this film to be made. Thank you.
हमारा अगला award है for OTT Web Film Acting Excellence Female, and the nominees are.
And ladies and gentlemen, this award goes to Parineeti Chopra for Amar Singh Chamkila. And of course, she could not make it tonight, but we will make sure that the trophy reaches her as soon as possible. And next up, the award is for OTT Web Film Acting Excellence Male. And the nominees are.
And the winner is Diljit Dosanjh for Amar Singh Chamkila. so well deserved, but he couldn't join us this evening, and we'll make sure that the trophy gets to him.
टॉयफा ने हमेशा कदम बढ़ाया है, जिम्मा उठाया है ऐसे स्टॉलवर्स को ऑनर करने का, उनको सेलिब्रेट करने का, जिन्होंने अपने हुनर से सबको एंटरटेन किया है.
It's now time to honor the extraordinary women who are shaping the future of our industry. Women whose vision leads the way, whose voices cannot be ignored, and whose actions are transforming cinema for better.
Absolutely. Their achievements remind us that progress is not just made on screen, but by the people who dare to dream beyond it. And it is with immense pride that we now celebrate these trailblazers with 3 special honors.
Yes, and this year, Times of India will celebrate the women in cinema with 3 special awards, which will acknowledge their bold vision, groundbreaking contributions that have not only shaped Indian cinema, but have also propelled it onto the global stage.
Starting with Visionary Woman of the Year.
And to give away this wonderful award, we'd like to call on stage the lovely Manisha Koirala.
The award for Visionary Women of the Year goes to Payal Kapadia.
On behalf of Payal, we have Ms. Chaya Kadam coming up to receive this wonderful award.
हेलो नमस्कार, मैं पायल कपाड़िया नहीं हूँ, मैं छाया कदम हूँ. लेकिन मुझे लगता है मेरे साथ इस इंडस्ट्री में जो भी फीमेल है वो हर कोई चाहेंगी कि मैं पायल कपाड़िया बनूँ. सो पायल की तरफ से मैं बोलती हूँ थैंक यू वेरी मच, और पायल आई लव यू और प्राउड ऑफ यू.
क्या बात है. Our next honor is for the powerful voice of cinema.
And the winner is Guneet Monga and Kiran Rao.
What a powerful voice indeed. Such a great representation for cinema and women in cinema. Ladies and gentlemen, Guneet Monga.
Thank you, Toifa. I'm completely taken by surprise. Thank you, Manisha ma'am. You know, एक चीज़ होती है पावरफुल वुमन अवार्ड देना और एक चीज़ होती है पावरफुल महसूस करना, राइट? आई थिंक वो जर्नी अभी भी दूर है, बट थैंक यू फॉर दिस. देर आर 2,500 films we make in a year. Less than 3% of them are directed by women. It's not that we don't know enough, but there is a lack, and it's time we consciously work towards it, use all our power towards it. And thank you for the encouragement. Thank you for knowing that there is a gap and all of us together should work towards it. So thank you, and please support Women in Film India. And thank you, Toifa. Means a lot. I had no idea.
Congratulations, Guneet.
And now to join Manisha on stage, may I please invite Miss Aishwarya Bansal, founder of Smart World Developers and the promoter of M3M India. Our next award is for Champions of Change.
The award for Champions of Change goes to Nandita Das.
Thank you, Toifa. Thank you, both of you.
I've been on the periphery of this industry for many, many years. 28 साल हो गए, विश्वास नहीं होता. And I'm seldom invited to program like this, and I seldom come for programs like this. So thank you very much, because for appreciating the choices I've made. ये ज़्यादातर होता नहीं है. So I'm very grateful. एंड मैं सीरियस फिल्में और चश्मा लगा के सीरियस दिखती हूँ, लेकिन मैं हंसना भी जानती हूँ और हंसाना भी जानती हूँ. सो आई होप दैट ऐसे भी कुछ मौके ये इंडस्ट्री देगी. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
Congratulations, Nandita. Thank you so much.
Okay, it's time to take
You are taking a break, or am I
Yes.
taking a break?
Okay, it's time. What does it say? It's
आप
time.
बताओ.
Invite our co-host Arjun back on stage, which means one of us is going, and I don't know who that person is. I think it's
मोहब्बत
time.
मुझसे तुमसे ज्यादा है. मुझे लगता है तुम्हें एक कॉफी लेके आना चाहिए.
I
Let me-
really think it's time for me to take a break. I'm going to go check
See you in
on
a
my
bit. See you in a bit.
multiple WhatsApp groups and then be back. Yeah, I'm getting no phobia right now. Yeah.
Please
okay.
go for it. Go for it.
जाना मत यार guys, मैं 10 मिनट में
I'm sure गुरिक कुछ शरारतें कर रहा है अगर नहीं सोया अभी. All right, Arjun, welcome back, fellow AK.
AK Paji, आगे बढ़ा है रात को?
Absolutely, let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time for the set of our next awards, the Academy Awards for Theatricals. For our next award, which is Theatrical Excellence in Story Writing, the nominees are...
And to give away this award, we would like to call upon the stage Chaya Kadam.
एक्सेलेंस इन स्टोरी राइटिंग, ये अवार्ड जा रहा है विप्लव गोस्वामी.
रवि सर यही रहिए ना, आप दोनों देके जाइए, आप दोनों अवार्ड देके जाइए.
स्टोरी के बाद अगला स्टेप है स्क्रीन प्ले, जब कहानी विजुअल्स के जरिए पर्दे का हिस्सा बन जाती है.
Our next award is for Theatrical Excellence in Screenplay, and the nominees are...
एक्सेलेंस इन स्क्रीन प्ले, ये अवार्ड जा रहा है स्नेहा देसाई.
What a clean sweep by Lapata Ladies.
Well, Lapata Ladies has indeed been a very, very special film. To get it from my Manju Mai is a delight. The entire team is here. Cheers to all of us. It's been a great year for Lapata.
Thank you, Chaya ma'am.
Thank you, Chaya. हमें फिल्मों से दो चीजें याद रह जाती हैं, गाने और डायलॉग्स. डायलॉग्स इतने आइकॉनिक जो हमारी एवरीडे कॉन्वर्सेशंस का हिस्सा बन जाते हैं.
Our next award, Theatrical Excellence in Dialogue Writing.
And to give away this award, I would like to call upon the stage Prateek Gandhi.
The award goes to... नहीं स्नेहा बैठो मत. स्नेहा देसाई for Lapata Ladies.
You know, अपार, दुनिया की हर पहली चीज खास होती है.
Of course.
पहली बार एक ऑडिशन देना, पहली बार सेट पर जाना, पहली बार कैमरा फेस करना और पहली बार एक फिल्म में डेब्यू करना.
Absolutely, yaar. Our next award is for Theatrical Debut Actor of the Year, and the nominees are...
The debut actor award goes to Nitanshi Goel for Lapata Ladies.
God.
Firstly, to see the entire crew here and see all of us winning, it's such a special feeling. Thank you so much, Toifa. Thank you, jury. Lapata Ladies is a very special film to me, and I'm so grateful that I got to begin my film journey with a character that has so much heart. Thank you, Kiran ma'am. Thank you, Amir sir. Thank you, Jyoti Deshpande ma'am. And thank you to the whole crew, the whole team. You guys made this film really special. And a huge, huge thank you to the audience. Your love has changed my life in ways that I can't even express. So thank you so much. And this award, while taking this, I just have to make this promise that I'll make sure that I keep working hard and keep making you all proud. Thank you.
Congratulations once again. Thank you so much, Prateek.
All right, I think अर्जुन बाजी, आपका और मेरा सफर अभी तक यहीं तक का था.
I only had to suffer you for so long.
बस इतना ही हुआ.
तुझे कोई नया चाहिए ना? मैं जाता हूँ बैकस्टेज और भेजता हूँ नेहा को ताकि वो तुझे और एंटरटेन और इंगेज कर सके.
बिल्कुल सही है, बिल्कुल सही है.
See you guys in a little while.
चलें शुरू करें जिंदगी. All right. महमूद साहब, जॉनी लीवर, राजपाल यादव, अक्षय कुमार, अरशद वारसी, गोविंदा, इन सब का नाम सुनकर चेहरे पर एक स्माइल आ जाती है ना? यही होती है एक असली कॉमेडी आर्टिस्ट की पहचान.
Absolutely. Our next award is for theatrical acting excellence in a comic role. And the nominees are...
And to give away this award, I would like to call upon the stage none other than Johnny Lever himself.
In a comedy role goes to... Award goes to... Ravi Kishan Bhaiya.
थैंक यू तोइफा. इनके हाथों से मिलेगा सोचे नहीं थे. मैं इनका शो देखने सन्मुखानंद हॉल 5 गार्डन के पास नहीं हॉल है, मैं वहाँ जाता था आपका शो देखने के लिए लाइव. इधर लव यू जॉनी भाई. वी वर्क टुगेदर, वी आर वेरी ओल्ड फ्रेंड. और आज साथ में और इनके हाथों आज अवार्ड मिल रहा है. द लेजेंड, योर लेजेंड. वो गोट वर्ड मैंने भी आज सीखा. ग्रेटेस्ट ऑफ
ऑल टाइम.
थैंक यू तोइफा फॉर दिस. एंड Kiran Rao ma'am, my team, Sneha ma'am, all my co-actors. आमिर खान, दिल से धन्यवाद. कहानी आमिर खान ने ढूंढी थी. आमिर खान ये रोल करना चाहते थे और उन्होंने ये रोल मुझे दिया. उनकी ग्रेटनेस, अपने पैसे भी लगाए. किरण मैम ने बहुत मुझ पर मेहनत की और अब मैं इस साल सारे अवार्ड मिल रहे हैं जो कि मुझे कभी नहीं मिले थे. जॉनी भाई, लव यू जॉनी भाई.
क्या
लॉन्ग मेमोरीज नो. कितने साल कितनी पुरानी याद है आपके साथ. थैंक यू जॉनी भाई. आप इधर ही अभी आधा घंटा और खड़े रहेंगे.
Congratulations रवि भाई.
Thank you, Johnny sir. Congratulations to Mr. Ravi Kishan.
Okay, moving forward, our next award is for theatrical acting excellence in a negative role, and the nominees are...
And the winner is R. Madhavan for Shaitan. Ladies and gentlemen, he couldn't be here with us this evening, but of course, he sent us a special message. Can we take a look at the AV, please?
Thank you so very, very much to all the members of the jury and everybody that voted for me. I'm deeply, deeply touched. Can't express how grateful I am to receive the Toifa Award for acting excellence in a negative role for Shaitan. Your appreciation for this performance has been very overwhelming and deeply gratifying and heartwarming. And who would have thought that I would get an award for a role such as this so late in my career? But I am very, very excited and thankful. My sincere thanks to Vikas Behel, the director of this film, for giving me the, being the wind beneath my wings, and to Ajay sir for giving me the freedom to do what I could do. And it's only because of them that I've gotten this award, and I'm very grateful. And my sincere, sincere thanks to Toifa, because honors like this remind us why we so love what we do. Thank you all, and my apologies, I'm not there in person. All the very best.
Moving on, यार, जैसे जिंदगी हमारे फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली के सपोर्ट के बिना अधूरी है ना नेहा, वैसे ही एक फिल्म में हीरो की जर्नी एक सपोर्टिंग कैरेक्टर के बिना अधूरी है.
Bilkul Tika, and our next award is for theatrical acting excellence in a supporting role, female, and the nominees are...
And to give away this award, I would like to call upon the stage Nusrat Bharucha and Miss Aishwarya Bansal, founder of Smart World Developers and the promoter of M3M Media.
The award for acting excellence in a supporting role female goes to Janki Bodiwala for Shaitan.
Thank you so much, Toifa, for this wonderful recognition. Really can't thank enough to my team Shaitan, Ajay sir, Madhavan sir, Jyotika ma'am, Panorama Studios, Geo Studios, Devgan Films for being so kind and so supportive. All the rewards belong to you guys. You made it possible for me. Thank you.
Our next award is for theatrical acting excellence in a supporting role male, and the nominees are
It goes to Ravi Kishan sir for
वाह
Lapata
वाह
Ladies.
वाह वाह वाह
क्या बात है।
क्या बात है रवि भाई, ये होती है पहचान कामयाबी की। बैक टू बैक अवार्ड्स।
थैंक यू अब्बार।
But I know it took a long time. जो आप कह रहे थे ना पेंडिंग थे, वो सारे के सारे इस साल हम कंप्लीट करके देंगे।
नहीं, थैंक यू नेहा, थैंक यू अपार, थैंक यू ज्यूरी, आप लोगों को दिल से धन्यवाद। और विप्लव, आपने जिसको सुंदरता से लिखा, स्नेहा मैम, अगेन किरण राव मैम को मैं ये श्रेय देना चाहता हूँ कि उन्होंने मुझे ये वक्त दिखाया। थैंक यू सो मच एंड थैंक यू नेटफ्लिक्स, आप लोगों ने बहुत प्यार दिया। धन्यवाद टॉयफा, दिल से धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।
Congratulations one more time रवि भाई।
रेस का रूल है अपनी दौड़ सबसे तेज भागो, लेकिन जीतेगा कोई एक। वैसे भी हम में कई धमाकेदार फिल्में देखी हैं, but now it's time to declare the winner of the year.
Our next award is for the theatrical film of the year, and the nominees are
The award for the film of the year goes to Lapata Ladies.
It's amazing. The team of Lapata Ladies hasn't got time to even sit on their chairs this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, take a good look at this team. Take a good look at the winners of the year. What a proud moment. What a proud moment.
यार नेहा, कार की डिक्की में भर कर लेके जाने पड़ेंगे।
हाँ, बिल्कुल।
This film is so special because this is a celebration of women. Every woman who wants to take up space, who does not want to disappear. Every boy who's watched this film and understood the value of a woman's voice. Every parent who now believes that her daughter's dreams are not rebellion, but her identity. That's why this film is so special, because it's about dignity, it's about identity. And thank you to this incredible team for putting it together so beautifully. Kiran Rao for helming this project with such passion, such grace, such humor. And every department for putting their lives, their soul into every frame of this picture. And this award truly belongs to everyone here. And I'm a blue fly that has attached itself to a thoroughbred horse. Thank you.
One more very, very important component of all this. A big thank you to Geo Studios for making this film and pushing it like it's every other big film. And that's what we need to do with films with real content.
Well said, Ram. We totally agree with you.
Congratulations, everyone.
Congratulations, team.
Ram, we would request you to please stay back to present the next award. All right. Our next award is for theatrical acting excellence male, and the nominees are
Oh my God. The winner is Sparsh Srivastav for Lapata Ladies. What an actor this boy is. Incredible.
स्पर्श बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो, वेरी वेल डिजर्व्ड।
क्या कहना चाहोगे?
कैसे लग रहा है स्पर्श अभी?
You know, a few days back, I learned a new fancy word.
What is it?
As you are teaching a lot of them. So, this feels like supercalifragilistic. What is it?
क्या?
Supercali. So, something like that. It's a really long word. Supercalifragilistic. That's what it feels like. That's what it feels like. I think that's the only word which can describe this feeling. And I'm really grateful. You know, it reminds me of one story. I was at Goa. We were doing an event and वहाँ पे एक जेंटलमैन आए मेरे पास और वो मुझे देख के बोलते कि अरे यू कैन स्पीक इन इंग्लिश ऑल्सो। उन्हें लगा कि मैं लापता लेडीज से बिलोंग करता हूँ। बट देयर शी वॉज ब्यूटिफुल। गुनीत मोंगा मैम वॉज ऑल्सो देयर एट दैट इवेंट एंड आई क्लियरली रिमेंबर मैम आपने कहा था कि ही इज़ लाइक अ कैमिलियन एंड आई टोटली अग्री टू दैट। आई एम अ कैमिलियन। आई लव बीइंग अ डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर। आई लव going to the skin of my characters, and these awards are nothing less than a push to keep doing what I love. So thank you so much, Toifa, and thank you so much to the entire team, Kiran Rao, Amir sir, the entire cast and crew, and of course my mom is here. This journey belongs to her more than it is mine, and yes, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
Well, our next award is for Theatrical Excellence in Direction, and the nominees are and the winner is Kiran Rao for Lapata Ladies. Well, she couldn't join us this evening, but she has shared a special message. Can we take a look at the AV, please?
Good evening and namaste, everyone. I am truly overwhelmed and deeply honored to receive this recognition for my direction from Toifa and the Toifa Academy. This is especially meaningful to me because it comes from my fellow industry members. So thank you so much for giving me this award. Lapata Ladies has been a truly special journey, and for that I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Amir Khan Productions, Jio Studios, Tanaji Das Gupta, Sneha Desai, Biplab Goswami, and my entire cast and crew. This film would not have been possible without each and every one of you, so this award belongs to you. I'm truly sorry I could not be there in person myself tonight due to a family emergency. But I am very much there in spirit, and my heart absolutely is celebrating with you tonight. So thank you all and have a lovely evening.
Okay, our next award is for Theatrical Acting Excellence Female, and the nominees are and the winner for this one is Yami Gautam for Article 370. She couldn't be here with us tonight, but we'll make sure her trophy reaches her. Congratulations, Yami.
And yeah, she isn't here, but thank you guys. I'm going to take your leave.
Neha. Abhi na jao chhod ke
कैसे गाओगे ना?
क्या रुक जाओगे? सच में रुक जाओगे?
Yeah.
फिर मैं नहीं गा.
I don't remember the last time anyone serenaded me by singing. So, you know, there may be a change of heart, but I'm going to go.
But
bye.
Neha, you know that I love you. Thank you so much for being a wonderful co-host. I'll see you in a bit.
Okay.
Bye-bye. All right, ladies and gentlemen, can I have my AK, एक बार फिर से AK.
आगे बढ़े?
अवार्ड है. हाँ, ले लो.
बात है. हमारा अगला अवार्ड है for People's Choice Theatrical Acting Excellence Male, and the nominees are
And to give away this award, I would like to call upon the stage Manisha Koirala and Guneet Monga.
And the award goes to Rajkumar Rao for Stree 2.
राज, आपको अवार्ड मिला है स्त्री के लिए। आपके जिंदगी में भी एक बहुत ज़रूरी स्त्री है जिन्होंने आपको एक नई स्त्री दी है। तो आई थिंक स्त्री इज़ द वर्ड फॉर एवर एंड एवर इन योर लाइफ।
No, thank you, Toifa. Thank you, मेरे प्यारे बिट्टू.
Love you, Paji.
Apar, thank you,
Vicky,
Abhishek. Thank you, Team Stree and Maddock. We had fun, यार. मतलब स्त्री बनाने में बहुत आता है. उस मजे के लिए कोई पैसे भी देता है, फिर अवार्ड भी दे देता है, तो और ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है. But great fun. I think we know how we are on that set and how we live like a family. And I think that is what it translates on screen, and that's what makes it so entertaining for you guys to enjoy, because हम लोग बहुत बकचोदी करते हैं सेट पे और कैमरा के सामने भी. But we had a lot of fun. So I think that fun translated into this award. So thank you so much, Toifa, again. Thank you, jury. Thank you, everyone who voted. And this, of course, is for both my lady luck, Patrulekha, and the little Patrulekha.
Before Rajbhai, you leave the stage, I want to tell something to everyone, right in front of everyone. Come here. Idhar aao. Of course, in the past 19 years, I've worked with so many actors. The only actor in the country who, in middle of a scene, says, "Apar, ye line tu le le, tere muँh se zyada better, bittu ke muँh se zyada better baithegi," is him. Such a giving actor, one of the finest co-actors, and love you, Paji. This is nothing, I mean, you know, I'm wishing you all the awards throughout the life. God bless you.
Love you, Paji.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Our next award is for People's Choice OTT Web Film Acting Excellence Male, and the nominees are...
The award for People's Choice Acting Excellence Male for Web Film goes to our favorite Pankaj Tripathi for Murder Mubarak. OTT platform Netflix.
Pankaj is not here. Mridula, his wife, is right here. Mridula ji, please come and take the award.
हमारा अगला अवार्ड है for People's Choice Theatrical Acting Excellence in a Comedy Role, and the nominees are...
The People's Choice Acting Excellence in Comedy Role goes to Pankaj Tripathi for Stree 2.
वही बात हो गई कि अभी तो जाके बैठे भी नहीं थे कि दोबारा वापस आना पड़ गया. Congratulations one more time, and we have a message from Pankaj ji. Let's hear it, what he has to say.
नमस्कार, थैंक यू सो मच टोइफा, मुझे 2 सम्मान से सम्मानित करने के लिए, बेस्ट एक्टर पीपल चॉइस वेब के लिए और बेस्ट एक्टर पीपल चॉइस कॉमेडी रोल के लिए. काफ़ी विनम्र महसूस कर रहा हूँ. मैं हूँ नहीं, मुंबई से दूर हूँ, इसलिए नहीं आ पा रहा हूँ, उसके लिए क्षमा प्रार्थी हूँ. और थैंक यू सो मच पीपल्स को और उनके चॉइस को, जो मुझे इतना स्नेह और प्रेम दिए. और थैंक यू सो मच दिल से जूरी पीपल्स को, लोगों को, आप सभी को आभार, और जो यहाँ मौजूद हैं उन सभी को मेरा प्रणाम.
On that note, हमारा अगला अवार्ड है for People's Choice Theatrical Acting Excellence in a Negative Role, and the nominees are...
The award for People's Choice Acting Excellence in a Negative Role goes to Raghav Jewel for Kill.
इस अवार्ड का बहुत बड़ा जो जिम्मा, मतलब जो वजह है, वो यहाँ पर ही खड़ी है मेरे साथ. गुनीत मोंगा, प्लीज जोरदार तालियां. बट थैंक यू वेरी मच. बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब ऐसे वी गेट दीज टोकन्स ऑफ अप्रिसिएशन. एक कोयले का काम करते हैं इंजन में, और हम ऐसी मेहनत करते रहेंगे. जब भी मुझसे कोई पूछता है यंगस्टर कि कैसे करते हैं लाइफ में ऐसे जो भी कर रहा हूँ मैं, तो मैं उन्हें बोलता हूँ कि अगर आप इस देश के मज़दूर और किसान की तरह मेहनत करना सीख गए, और आपके अंदर थोड़ा टैलेंट है, और आप वेल क्राफ्टेड हैं, और आप हम्बल हैं, ग्राउंडेड हैं, तो फिर आपको खुदा भी नहीं रोक सकता. सो कीप वर्किंग हार्ड, एंड अपनी औकात से बहुत ऊपर सोचो गाइज, तभी कुछ होगा. मिडिल में मत सोचो, मीडियोकर मत सोचो, ऊपर का सोचो तो होता है. एंड थैंक यू गुनीत, थैंक यू अचिन भाई, थैंक यू करण सर, थैंक यू अपूर्वा, थैंक यू लक्ष्य, and thank you Tanya, Nikhil sir, thank you.
The next award is for People's Choice Theatrical Film of the Year, and the nominees are...
The award for People's Choice Film of the Year goes to Lapata Ladies, Amir Khan Productions and Geo Studios and Kindling Pictures. To all the producers, congratulations.
Aparna, one more time, what do you have to say?
Thank you to Toifa, to Geo Studios, Amir Khan Productions, of course, and Kindling Pictures is extremely grateful to receive this honor. Lapata Ladies is a gift that keeps giving. And we continue to hope that Amir Khan Productions and Kindling and Geo, we keep giving these gifts to audiences. Thank you so much for taking these ladies home. Thank you so much for giving so much love to this film. It means the world to us. Thank you. And this award, of course, again belongs to everybody who's here. Thank you.
Congratulations one more time. And thank you so much to the entire team for giving this film to us, actually. Thank you.
हमारा अगला अवार्ड है for People's Choice Theatrical Song of the Year and the nominees are
The award for People's Choice Song of the Year goes to Saregama Music for Ain Nahi from Stree 2.
Wow.
This is such a banger of a song. My 3-year-old daughter starts dancing at home whenever she sees it on TV. So, I mean, and yeah, I mean, it's doing wonder for us as well. So, thank you, everyone. Thank you, Toifa.
Thank you, Guneet.
जोरदार तालियां गुनीत के presentation के लिए.
All right, our next award is for People's Choice OTT Web Series Acting Excellence Female, and the nominees are.
This award goes to Huma Qureshi for Maharani 4. She couldn't join us tonight, but a special AV from her has. May we please have it on screen, please.
Thank you, Toifa. I'm deeply grateful to receive the People's Choice Award for Acting Excellence for Maharani Season 3. Thank you guys for believing in Rani Bharti and for giving me and the show so much of love over the years. To my incredible Maharani team, the writers, directors, cast and crew, this recognition is as much yours as it is mine. And for everyone who voted and supported me, thank you for your constant love and faith. I'm humbled and I promise to, keep giving you stories and characters that truly resonate. Thank you so much. I wish I could have been there tonight, but this honor means a lot. Lots of love.
And moving forward,
our next award is for People's Choice OTT Web Series Acting Excellence Male, and the nominees are.
The award goes to Jitendra Kumar for Panchayat, and he is not here with us today. We'll send the award to him definitely. And our next award is for People's Choice OTT Web Film Acting Excellence Female, and the nominees are.
And the winner is Sharvari Wagh. She isn't here with us today, but she has sent us a special message. Can we have a look at it, please?
Maharaj is a special film, a film that keeps on giving. Thank you so much to the audiences who have showered me with so much love all across the world. I'm so humbled. I just want to say that Maharaj is a special film because it happened to me when I was hungry to deliver a performance that the industry would take notice, which would help open doors for me. And I'm so grateful for the timing and everything that I have received in return. Thank you so much, Toifa, for giving me this honor. I would like to thank Siddharth P. Malhotra, sir, my director, for giving me this role, for believing in me and guiding me through this journey. Thank you, Aditya Chopra, sir, for being my mentor, my backbone, and for always believing in me no matter what. Thank you to the whole cast and crew of Maharaj. Lots of love.
And हमारा अगला award है for People's Choice Theatrical Debut Actor of the Year, and the nominees are.
And the winner is Laksh for Kill. He couldn't be here tonight, but I think Guneet, you will make sure कि वो trophy तो उस तक पहुंच ही जाए.
And हमारा अगला award, ladies and gentlemen, for People's Choice Theatrical Acting Excellence Female, and the nominees are.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner is Shraddha Kapoor for Stree 2. She couldn't join us today, but we will ensure that she gets the trophy. Very well deserved. Congratulations, Shraddha. Paji, आप ही भेज देना स्त्री के
बनता
winner
है,
को.
बिल्कुल बनता है. It is now time to bid farewell, ladies and gentlemen. इस शाम को अपनी presence से चार चांद लगाने के लिए बहुत-बहुत शुक्रिया. And AK, thank you for being such a lovely co-host.
Thank you, Apar Paji, for having me, giving you company while you do a stellar job. Stellar job.
Love you. We did it together.
We would like to thank our sponsors and everyone present here tonight for joining us in yet another celebration of films and web shows. Presenting sponsor M3M India, our expertise, your joy. Powered by Pan Bahar Crystal, Pehchan Kamyabi Ki. Special partner Visi India, a true smart TV that has it all.
Associate sponsor Reliance Industries, lifestyle partner Lays, Lifestyle, India's premium outdoor furniture brand. Fashion partner Sheetal Creations, associate partners Rosta, Right Bite, Nutria, The Source. All right, on that note, ladies and gentlemen, ye goodbye. Nahi, see you later hai in a way.
We will see you again very soon at the movies. Thank you once again, ladies and gentlemen. Good night.
Thank you so much.